Kaya kapag buo kayong walo, kayo ang pinipining inspirasyon ng lahat. Nagtatanggal ng pagod at pag-iyak, dating wala ngayon.
None of our heads get big, or else we're gonna do that, you know.
Like what?
Can someone pass the cookie, please?
Can someone pass the cookie, please?
Wala ba lang ako lagi magkaroon lagi. Wala gini kung Bisaya wala turong lagi. That's the Bisaya ano. That's the Bisaya ka na.
Kami yung pre-show. Pagkababa namin ng Let's read.
Oh, sorry.
Ay, sorry.
Sorry. Ang grupo.
Ang grupo natin.
My question. Wala pa nga eh. Meron akong first love na Disney character. Sino yon?
Si ano? Si Mr. Bean.
When I was 8 years old, I was swinging on a duyan in Coronadal. When an accident happened, what do you think I got?
Taloy. He got so happy.
Elbow!
Uncle and auntie.
Fracture.
Anong klaseng fracture?
Ano? ACL. Fracture.
Infrastructure?
Nag-coach kay... Ay, nag-coach kay...
Sino yung nag-coach? Sino yung nag-coach? Madaya. Balang gusto ang medalya, madaya.
What was the very first song I learned when I was 4 years old? Sabi yung first letter ng artist or like ng band.
Apo, hiking.
Give me a beat. Come on. Sumabay sa ako'y napasya sa dalaga ng hiwag.
Ano? Ang favorite sport namin ni Kuya nung bata.
Second letter R. Wrestling.
Sige daw, 0.5 everyone.
Yes.
The suggestion of Mika.
Wala pa rin ako.
Next natin magtatanong, IC?
Ano kami mag-noise, no? Sagot talaga ganito.
Ate, ayaw, bigyan mo 0.5. Ay, ayaw. Tampo siya.
Bobby naman ako. I was the favorite of my lolo sa mom's side. What do I call my lolo?
Go, Sheena. Lolo?
Wait lang.
Nung bata ko, ano yung first song na sinasayaw ko? Yung chorus part nito paulit-ulit. Clue, hindi siya OPM, so nakakagulat.
Maloy.
Ay, malito ba ito ka? Nung kinder ako, saang part ako ng classroom pumupwesto? Sa tabi ng first honor nyo.
Ikaw, inano mo ako, dinudge mo ako sa tabi ng first honor. First honor ako nung kinder.
What is the shape of my face? Mangga! Shape lang
Feel ang moment to parang, wow.
Yung membership. Ship.
Our flight tomorrow is
Knock. Ako mag-knock. Sa gabi, sa bawat minutong lumilipas. Siya pa.
Can't you sound the time?
Tama rin, Faye.
Hello?
Sumasayaw ka. Hindi ko nag-sound out. Who's there? Hindi ka mo down sa alam mo, wala sa branding natin to. Mamusunod na ako. Joanna. Ay, Joanna! Joanna build a snowman.
Mga 35 na kami, bini pa ba nun? O yung mga open forums natin na paulit-ulit wala naman nangyayari sa open forum na yan. Kailangan lang pala.
Adjust na po kami sa isa't isa. Alam na po namin kung anong mga ayaw at hindi na. Ayaw at hindi, ayaw at gusto. Ayaw at hindi po mga ayaw, negative.
Boses po. Para ma-renew yung contract.
Sa blue.
How about you, Shayna?
Yes, with the blue.
Sabi mo.
I say happy, you say birthday. Happy?
Birthday!
Happy?
Birthday!
Happy?
Birthday!
Sino may birthday? Oh, sino kaya yan?
Ate Maloy.
Right, Ate Maloy?
You're so very...
Binabash kayo.
Grabe, ang funny naman ang joke mo, Jo.
Ano mga blue pants dito? Blue. Hindi alam. Tawagin ko tong wave na to na S-wave. Okay, mali ako.
Parang hindi kayo tumawa. Ang tawag daw sa mga bikini enjoyers ay bikini men. Kasi is bikini, so baka naman is parang baka naman. Parang yung sa Mikaya Bus, Mikaya ka bus? Guys, meron din kami ni Colette, Uyab Bus.
Okay, 1. Uy,
Sobrang banking pala. Grabe, akala ko mamamatay na tayo. Like last concert, pero thank you, Lord.
hello, hi. When are you?
Dito na lang tayo, girls. Okay, sige. Hala, hindi sila tabi sila. May isa sila kita doon. Okay. Hindi, punta na lang tayo doon. Go.
Smile! 1, 2, 3! Thank you.
Malalaglag ka.
Bruh.
Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. But here's my number, so call me. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number.
Ito na po ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. Hey!
Isang A naman dyan!